What's the meaning of all round? All round. All round. All round. All round. All round.
The term all-round refers to having comprehensive or versatile abilities in multiple areas. It implies a well-rounded skill set that can be applied to various situations or tasks. Being all-round means having a range of competencies, rather than being specialized in one particular area. This term is frequently used in education and job descriptions to describe an individual who possesses a combination of skills. In summary, all-round refers to having a diverse set of skills that make an individual adaptable and capable of performing well in many different scenarios.